Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, I made a large purchase today. It was time. Last year, I think it was, or maybe the year before. I bought this nice little Ryobi saw. It does exactly what it was supposed to do. It's just a light duty for a bunch of, just a few small cuts here and there. But my sign shop has quadrupled in the amount of signs I'm putting out now, so is the workload. So I have to upgrade. I upgraded my table saw here a month ago, and it was time to upgrade this just because production has got to get faster, and this just does not have the horsepower that this has. And I'm going to go over why I bought this to replace this, because we're not even going to be plugging this one in anymore. This is a good saw for going outside and working out in the yard, like building a deck or something like that. You need a light saw you can haul around. That's what this is. I can pick that up, toss that around one hand. This one, yeah, not so much. This one's, I don't know what the weight is on it. 50 pounds maybe? I don't know, I'll have to look at it, but it's up there. And it's already, yeah, I like that already. There is no movement anywhere. Yeah, so much easier, so much nicer than that. I went with Hercules, Harbor Freight. I've been researching these for about 3 months, I guess. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and asking a lot of questions, and it all comes back down to this and price tag, because this was around $400. So with everything I bought, plus I got a discount because I signed up for a credit card. I got 10% off discount of everything that I purchased. So yeah, I'm okay with that. Now I'll just never use a card again anyhow, but it's nice to have it just in case you need it. It's one of them that's non-expiring type like things. So let's get the rest of this together, which there's not really much. This right here I will not be using. I will be hooking up my shop vac to that, and I have I'll just probably put this on the Ryobi for outside when I'm working at it, because I have no idea what I did to that one. I might have thrown that one away, but this will work out there. And I also did get the 1 year extended warranty on it, which was $45 or $49, something like that. I don't remember exactly what it was, but so this has 90 days originally, and then 1 year warranty after that. And best thing with Harbor Freight is I don't have to send this in. This quits working. I go up to Harbor Freight, walk in the store with this. They look up my phone number, which is a record of everything that I purchased there, because I'm a member of their whatever Fast Track Club, I guess it is. And they just look up what my purchase was, and it tells me exactly what it is. And if there's a problem with this, they bring me out a new box, and I walk out the store. Quick, simple, and easy. Any other saws, you know how that works. You have to send them out and then go through all that stuff. Well, yeah, I don't have time for that. And that's why most general contractors and everybody else just throws them away and gets another one, because they don't have time to deal with that. So first initial thing I like already is the height of this fence, because once I get this set up, I'll show you exactly what I'm doing with it and why I went with this. So this is what I have thousands and thousands of these to make. These are Christmas tags that I sell in my sign shop. So what I normally do, I'm going to have to lock everything in place here until I get to figure it out what I'm going to do with this. So this is what I do. I have, I stack 10 of these together. They're 4 foot long, 3 inches wide. I do the best I can to line them up. They don't have to be exact, because I have a little bit of waste, but not a whole lot. Put a clamp at the end so I can somewhat keep them even for when I first start. yeah, that's butter. That is butter. It looks like I'm going to be doing 20 of these. Well, let's get this cut up. This is smooth. This, I cannot, oh my. Unbelievable. Gotta wait for the blade to stop. First thing I see a problem with. Got to slow down just a little bit. That's going to be a problem. So you got this nice expensive saw, but this is cheesy. I don't know if this is going to work, but we'll see. Like I think of it right at the moment. See what happens. Paint stick, basswood. Is that the right way to fix it? Absolutely not. Will it work for now? Yep. I'm gonna put this back before Vicki finds out. Let's try this again. Pretty decent, pretty decent. Try something different. There you go. That's better. That's what I'm going to be going with. Okay. Okay, one thing I've noticed I took the clamp off is this was moving on me. And it's a little over 6.5 inches now, and I think there's another stack back here. That's 6 5/8. So, yeah, I can't have that. So what I'm going to do, since I don't throw too many scraps away, there's nice holes in here, which would be 1/4 inch. And this does move pretty good. What I am going to do is make a jig. Or not a jig, but just a stop. And I'm just going to go with keep it a little bit tall. And got to have a little bit of adjustment on it, so I want to take this out just a little bit. Since this moves around, I'll have to measure it every time, which is not a big deal. I think if I go right about there, put this about in there someplace. 6.5 inches. Should be about right there. I love them DeWalt clamps. Some things are just quick and they clamp nice. Okay, so what I have, 1.5 inch by 5/16 carriage bolt. And I don't have a clamping knob, a plastic knob with the brass insert, so I'm just going to have to use a regular nut for right now until I can get to the hardware store and get a couple. So I always buy more than one, because if I'm starting a project like this, I always end up making more than one of these, which I probably will, so I might as well get them now. Or the next time I go to the hardware store anyhow. All I'm trying to do is draw the carriage bolt in. I guess I should have given a better shot on the other side there, but now that's a true stop. Okay, now I cannot use this in this sign, but I also have another size of sign which is 5.5 inches. So that's what we're going to do. And since that's as far as that's going to go, can't use it like that. But, another hole. Whoops. 5.5. 3/4. Guess I should have just turned that off. So I ended up placed in a 5 1/4. Look familiar? So that's just going to be another stop. Okay, according to everything on the box, 15 amp, high output mower, 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw, 14-inch horizontal capacity, 7.5-inch crown molding, 6 3/4 baseboard. So that pretty much covers everything. Okay, so this saw is going to do everything I want it to do, and probably then some. Is it going to be the best saw for me? So far right now, yes it is. It's going to do everything I wanted to do, and quickly. I'm going to have to get used to running it, because controls are a little bit different, but actually one full day in this shop and I don't even think twice about it. And best thing I like about this is the LED light, because I am never turning that off. So I just flip the switch on for the power of the saw over on the side of my bench, because that way I never have to worry about thinking that the power's off and push the button or do whatever and then create a problem. But the switch took me a little bit, because there's a little lever you have to push over first and then pull the trigger. So that took a little bit to get used to, but now it's just a one motion kind of thing. So, and this is how I do store it, just like this. Every time I'm not using any of my saws, they're like this. So anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video and a thorough demonstration, I guess, or review of this Harbor Freight saw. It's what's this? It's HE74 is a model, I guess. And like I say, I think it was oh geez, I think it was like $350 or $360 something, and then I got the roughly the $50 extended warranty for a year. And in a year's time, I'll know if this saw is going to make it or not, and then we'll just go from there. So hope you enjoyed the video for today. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Everybody have a good evening, and we will see you on the next project.